Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my hot girl summer morning routine. And to me, like, a hot girl is just the girl who prioritizes herself and like puts her health first. I'm 5 months pregnant. I'm not over here feeling like I'm the hottest girl in the world, but I am doing things every single day that make me feel good. So after I finished kind of my full morning routine, which I posted a couple of weeks ago, make sure you guys check out that video. I like to prep things for my dinner as early as possible, especially like I'm doing fish tacos tonight, so I need to defrost the fish, and then make a super simple, delicious lunch. This is like my summer go-to. I eat it most days, and it's nice because you can have it at home or take it on the go. So this is just a gluten-free pasta. I get that boiling, and again, I like doing this in the morning because it's actually gonna be like a pasta salad, so I need to be able to cook it and let it cool before I can actually enjoy it. Gluten-free or grain-free pastas take a little bit longer to cook. So if you guys are making it, just be mindful of that. Like, you're gonna think it's ready and it's not. So I'll let that cook and cool. And then I like to chop up a bunch of cucumbers. Cucumbers are so great, especially like being pregnant right now, but just honestly anytime, because they have so much water in them and they will help flush any like excess water out of your body if you're feeling kind of bloated. And then I'll make just a little easy dressing. This is just apple cider vinegar, olive oil, some Dijon mustard. I'll put a bunch of spices in there and a tiny bit of maple syrup because it just adds that little bit of sweetness and cuts a bit of the vinegar so it's not too intense. And then I'll chop up some sun-dried tomatoes as well, just like to get a mix of spices in that dressing and make it really, really flavorful. Sometimes I'll blend it up. It actually makes it a little bit creamier, but I'm just gonna shake it up today. So once my pasta's cooled, I put these chickpeas. These are Greek chickpeas from Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, you guys. They have the best seasonings on them. Like, you can make them yourself, obviously, but it's just really good. And then I'll throw everything in there, a little bit of a vegan pesto. I'm not vegan, I'm kind of like trying to limit a little bit of the cheese, and then put that in there because look at all the cheese I'm putting on top. Like, lots of good Parmesan, little feta, all the goodness. And then I'll usually chop up some tomatoes. I didn't put the cucumbers in yet though. You totally can, but I make a huge batch of this. And again, this is so that I have healthy, fresh lunches that I can just take on the go, eat at home. But Ryan doesn't like cucumber, so I have to leave it on the side so that he can enjoy this without being like, oh, there's cucumber. So I just put it on when I do my own. But then I'll just pack it up in some glass containers and put that in the fridge. It's like still morning, so I'm not gonna eat it right now, but it'll be nice and chilled and it'll help soak up all that flavor and all the seasoning when it does come time to actually enjoy it later today for lunch. And then when I'm in the kitchen, I usually like to obviously kind of clean up everything as I go, make sure it's nice and organized. And this is usually when I'll take my vitamins and any other supplements. So you guys know for the last, like, honestly, it's probably been like 2 or 3 years now, I've used Persona Nutrition to get my personalized vitamins. And during my pregnancy, this has been like game changing for me because they have the personalized packs. They're daily packs. I have a morning one and a nighttime one. They get delivered right to your door. And for me, one of the best things about Persona is that they have on-call nutritionists. So anytime there's changes going on in your life, like literally in your life, it could be seasonal, it could be things that you're feeling, medications, you can talk to the on-call nutritionist and find out if there's changes that you should make to your vitamins. So I've done this quite a bit throughout my entire journey with Persona, but especially over the last couple of months because there's been lots of changes happening in my body. And I've just always been such a fan. It's so great because all of their stuff is based in science, designed by doctors. You know you're getting the highest quality. So I'll take my morning ones, obviously in the morning, and then my night pack usually just right before I go to bed. And I have a link down below for you guys to take the free assessment online that'll tell you exactly what's recommended for your body as well. So definitely go check that out. And my workout today is cardio. I've been trying to get outside for my cardio as much as possible. And it's just some low intensity cardio. So I'm just gonna go for a really big walk in my neighborhood. I know like hot girl walks are such a thing right now. I'm like, I don't get it. I've just been walking forever, but I love just getting that sunshine, some vitamin D. Most of the time, especially in summer, I like to take the time to go down to the beach. But when I'm busy and in the middle of a work day, I sometimes will just go in the neighborhood just because obviously it saves time to not have to drive down to the beach and take all that time. And one of my favorite things about like my list cardio days in the Love Sweat Fitness app is that I don't get super sweaty or gross unless it's like crazy hot outside. So I don't have to necessarily shower or like do anything major to refresh myself because I didn't really get nasty. So then I'll come in and do just like really minimal makeup on the daily. I some days don't wear any makeup at all. This is my nice fresh face, but once in a while, especially if I'm gonna be filming anything, I like to put on at least a little bit. So my goal for summer is to always just look really like dewy and hydrated. So I use a lot of the serums and really good like CC creams instead of using a heavy foundation, more of that moisturizing foundation that's a little bit lighter. And then creamy bronzers and creamy blush, still putting it in all the same areas obviously that I would normally, but using more of this kind of like dabbing technique so it really sets into the skin and it's not like a loose powder that you see. And I'll also use just that same bronzing stick on my eyes, just give it a little bit of color. I also feel like having like extra glow really helps make your skin look more hydrated in summertime. So I like to take the little highlighter and kind of dab it obviously on the top of my cheek there, but then down my nose and stuff too. And it just adds that little bit of extra like spark of summer shine, which I like. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. I'll try to link stuff for you guys. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at linking all the products all the time, but this is just like a really good natural lip color that also is really hydrating. And then most days I just can't be bothered to deal with actually doing my hair. So little messy bun action. I feel like it's cute. I don't know. It works. I've rocked the messy bun pretty much my entire life. So I'm just going to let it keep going strong. But especially in summertime, like not dealing with putting heat on my hair and hot tools, like it just makes life a lot easier and faster, obviously, so that I can get more done in my day. One of the first things I do once I've kind of like done my makeup and all of that is just get on my computer and start going through all of the top priority tasks that I have for the week or for the day to make sure that I know exactly what I need to get done. And then I'll kind of write out some additional notes for myself. I just like having that addition of handwriting stuff. I need it on the computer because otherwise it'll get forgotten and get lost, and having my system on the computer allows me to like have alerts and reminders, but then writing it down helps me like actually visualize what I'm going to be doing. And then today I'm prepping a couple of new videos I'm filming for the LSF app. So this, I think I've shown you guys before, like this is how I plan my workouts, and I feel like it's super unconventional. Like I'm not in a studio or somewhere full out doing anything, but I picture everything in my head. So I'll always play music while I'm planning and then start to coordinate different exercises and build my routines, usually on the ground in a small space. It's just my little office. But for me, this is how I've done it for the last literally 10 years from when I was in studios locally. And I still do it today, planning for the app too. And we're in summer shape up right now. So I'm also doing a lot of work with our Making Moves program. This is the new motivational program that was an add-on for summer shape up. And it's been so freaking incredible. I did this amazing workshop with all the girls that are a part of this. And then we also have a close friends group on Instagram. So I'll send them exclusive things like in that group and in emails. And it just allows us to connect in a more meaningful way. And also for me to really help teach them and guide them with my system of how I stay motivated and the things that I do to ensure that I can build healthy habits and routines that last. Not something that's like temporary for a couple of days, but actually building things into your routine, learning to love the process and really transforming your life. And that's what this program's been doing, which is so cool. And obviously I have to take a little bumpy because you guys, it's starting to grow and show. And I feel like some people still look at me and are like, you look totally normal. Where's your bump? But for me, it really is starting to be like a baby bump and show itself. And I'm so excited because little LBD is gonna be here faster than I even know. I'm already like 21 weeks now, which is crazy. It's just gonna happen so fast. And then this is my Asana. This is what I was talking about. I've shown you guys before, but where I do all of my content planning. I build out like my YouTube and TikTok and Instagram plans, all of the challenges, like stay organized in there so that I can have one central place that everything lives. And that's the second half of my morning routine. I hope you guys liked seeing this. If you like these routine videos, hit the thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know which routine you want to see next.